Ethereum's been lagging this crypto market, and we know that Ethereum needs to be the second front runner and it needs to hit all-time highs as soon as possible. So Ethereum's currently sat at $3,234. XRP has been absolutely rampant, and look at that, $3.07 on XRP. So is it better to be holding Ethereum, or is it better to be holding XRP right now? And could XRP actually flip Ethereum in market cap during this crypto bull run? And this is where we're going to start off, because we need to understand exactly what XRP needs to do to flip Ethereum. So we look at the market cap, and Bitcoin's number one. We know that Bitcoin's the big daddy. It leads the market by a significant amount. Add everything else combined, it doesn't even hit the market cap of Bitcoin. So it's $2 trillion, over $2 trillion Bitcoin. So the next one that we look at is Ethereum. Ethereum is the biggest layer one smart contract platform, which is fully decentralized and fully adopted. So that's Ethereum, and that's sitting at a market cap of 390 billion, 750 million, 334,857. The next one, XRP. So this is third in market cap, and it's 177 billion, 674 million, 5,131. So what does it need to do? It needs to do about a 2x against Ethereum. So what we'll do is we'll look at the chart. And what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the XRP Ethereum chart. So this is XRP trading against Ethereum. So this pump here is XRP. This pump here is XRP. And this bleed in here is Ethereum outperforming XRP. So as this is pulling down, Ethereum's outperforming. You can see here, XRP has started to outperform Ethereum by a significant amount. We can measure that from this swing low here to where price is now, 440%. So it's outperforming Ethereum 440%. All it needs to do now is an extra 100% to outperform Ethereum to hit its market cap. So is it likely, and what resistance points have we got? We're actually at a hidden resistance point now, which is this previous swing low. We were rejected, pulled back in. So this is going to act as resistance. So what's that going to look like on the Ethereum, and what's it going to look like on the XRP chart? And is it better to hold Ethereum, or is it better to hold XRP? Because in the short term, you expect a pullback here. You can tell that because XRP's pumped hard. How do we know XRP's pumped hard? How do we know that it could be potentially at a resistance level? The only thing that we can do is check it out by adding on our Fibonacci. So we're going to go from this swing high here. We're going to go to this swing low here. Then what we're going to do is double click on this Fibonacci tool. And we're going to add our extensions in. We're going to add our 1618 and our 2618. So make them white, make that one white. So we've got our 1618, we've got our 2618. They're going to act as resistance. So where are we now, guys? We're at the 1618. So we're on the weekly chart. This is the 1618. I'll just jump into the daily. And you can see, is this level going to fall back and hold as support? If this level falls back and holds as support, which is sat at $3 exactly, if $3 holds as support, then you can expect another pump on XRP. So is it going to eat away at the market cap of Ethereum if XRP pumps hard and holds this $3 support? We can look at Ethereum. We can just zoom out and we can see Ethereum hasn't even broken its previous all-time high. So we'll stick a fib on there and we can see, is there any sticking points for Ethereum? All the way down there. We need to hold this 61.8% retracement. So we got a reaction, we got a rejection, we pulled back, we broke through, we've hit the 786, look, 786 exactly. We've pulled back, and now we need to regain this 618. We're nearly there now. So we need price to just push back at the end of the day above this 618, and that's going to be bullish. If we hold that 618, we can try. The next piece of resistance is going to be this 50-period moving average. Once we break, once we close, once we confirm from there, you're looking to retest that 786. Once you test it and test it and test it, you're knocking on the ceiling, you're knocking on the ceiling, and ultimately, guys, you break through. Once we broke through the 786, I see us straight away going back, testing previous all-time high on Ethereum, then breaking all-time high on Ethereum. So if you think of Ethereum as lagging in comparison to XRP, so you think that the next Ethereum pump would outperform the XRP, increase the Ethereum market cap, reducing the chance of XRP outperforming Ethereum. So could we call XRP the Ethereum killer? do two completely different things, guys. XRP is mainly used for like cross-chain transaction payments in real time. So the banks adopted XRP so they can do transactions in real time. It's cheaper than the normal system, the existing monetary system. So they're two completely different things. People call Solana the Ethereum killer. Will Solana be the Ethereum killer? I can see them both dominate in different spaces, and I think they're going to be used for different things. So basically, Ethereum's lagging. Ethereum needs to pump. When you look, again, that coincides with this resistance. So it's looking like Ethereum in the short term is going to outperform XRP. XRP should pull back. Where's it going to pull back to? We'll stick a fib from this swing low. In a strong trend, it's going to be a 38.2% retracement, which clues look left, build up a price action. That was resistance. You can expect it to come back, test this 382, 0.000682, and that is where XRP will probably start outperforming Ethereum again. So expect a pump in Ethereum, a slowdown in XRP, a potential pullback against the XRP Ethereum chart, and then XRP can have another turn. So you've got to think, guys, what's run, what hasn't run. If you were in XRP, let's have a look. If you were accumulating an XRP down at this level, XRP's pumped. It's at the 1618. There's a potential we could get a rejection at the 1618. If we get a pullback in the 1618 on XRP, that's showing a little bit of weakness in XRP after you've had a big pump here. And that's showing that Ethereum is going to outperform in the short term. So if you've got this pump here and you're taking some profits off the table here and you're converting the profits from there into Ethereum, Ethereum's likely to have a pump over XRP in the short term. And then you can just rotate between the two, guys. You can look at the XRP and Ethereum chart and you can look when we break this level. When we break this level here, 0.00105559, you're looking to go to the next level, which is going to be the 38.2% retracement from this previous swing high here, macro swing high. That is when XRP is going to start outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum. And then once you break this 382, you've got the 618. So it's going to rotate, guys. The liquidity is going to rotate. So sometimes Ethereum is going to be outperforming. Sometimes XRP is going to be outperforming. Now, do I personally think XRP is going to outperform Ethereum and beat the market cap of Ethereum and be the second biggest crypto market cap? I do like XRP, guys. Unfortunately, I don't think that's going to happen. I think Ethereum is going to get bigger. Ethereum is going to be more adopted. And in the long run, I think Ethereum is going to outperform. Guys, people talk about the Ethereum Bitcoin flipping and it gets so close and it gets so close and it gets so close. But when it gets there, it gets completely wiped out and pulled back. And that's because Ethereum dominates Bitcoin during an alt season, during a crypto bull run. And that's why liquidity comes out of one, Bitcoin, goes into Ethereum, and it kind of levels off the market cap and levels off the market cap. But ultimately, once Bitcoin's pulling back and not running as hard, completely dominates the rest of the crypto market time and time again. So for me, in the short term, I'm expecting Ethereum to outperform XRP, but I'm expecting it to rotate during the course of the cycle. Sometimes it'll outperform, sometimes it won't outperform. But I think if I had run with XRP for such a long period of time, I think I'd be taking profits out of XRP and starting to scale into things like Ethereum myself personally. Not everything, guys. You don't have to do everything. If you had 100% gains, 200% gains, 300% gains in XRP, take out your initial capital. You can take out your initial capital, and it's not financial advice. You can put that initial capital in something that hasn't run. Once that's run, you can take your initial capital out, let the other thing run. And what that's allowing for, guys, is allowing for you to take your money back out, create opportunities elsewhere, whilst you've still got money in the table for the rest, whilst you've still got crypto in the table for the gains that can still be made, but you're reducing your risk by taking the capital out, reusing that capital elsewhere, taking the capital out once you've had a pump, and then rinsing and repeating. But you need to remember one thing, guys. Alt season lasts for a short period of time. And people say 9 months, people say 12 months, people say 6 months. I'm using 3 months. As soon as total 3 is broken and closing above, I'm using 3 months to scale out of the crypto market because I'm expecting a top to be around about March, mid-March, potentially the end of March. So that's my time horizon, guys. And what's that going to allow for? It's going to allow for any nasty crashes, any nasty pullback, for me to be able to use my capital and then create opportunities elsewhere. So that's how I'm playing it, guys. If you do think that's a good strategy, if you do think it's something that you like to implement into your own strategy, I teach risk management techniques. That's what I'm all about, guys. I'm a realist. And I'll tell you now, guys, I'm probably the only crypto channel that's going to tell you nearly everything is going to pretty much go to zero in the next 9 to 12 months, in my opinion, guys. That's what I'm working towards. I want to make sure that I bank along the way. Want to make sure that I make these life-changing choices that I'm allowed to make on the back of having capital, guys. So I've learned lots about the market. I want to teach you guys everything that I know. That was a little bit of a ramble, but take care of yourself and goodbye from me.